In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the ruler in Microsoft Whiteboard. This tool is a fantastic feature for those of you who want to create precise lines and angles on your digital workspace. Let's dive right in and explore how you can make the most out of this functionality in just about 5 minutes. First, you'll want to open your web browser and search for Microsoft Whiteboard. If you haven't already installed it, you can access it directly through the Microsoft Store or utilize its web version, depending on your setup. Once you're there, the next step is to sign in. If you regularly use Microsoft's services, you might find that you're already signed in, especially if you have an existing Microsoft 365 account. If not, go ahead and enter your email address and password to log in. Sometimes you may be asked for some additional information to enhance security, so be prepared for that. Once you have successfully signed in, it's time to open Microsoft Whiteboard on your computer. This is your central hub for all the creative and collaborative magic you're about to unleash. You'll find yourself on a clean canvas where you can start jotting down ideas or drawing sketches. Now, let's get to the heart of this tutorial, the ruler tool. Take a look at the bottom of your screen, and you'll notice an option labeled Inking. Click on that, and under the available tools, you'll find the ruler. Go ahead and select it. With the ruler active, you'll see it appear on your whiteboard. To adjust the angle of the ruler, simply place your mouse pointer over it and utilize your mouse's scroll wheel. The ruler rotates smoothly, allowing you to set it at the precise angle that you need for your lines. As you rotate the ruler, a red mark will indicate its current angle, displaying the exact degree of rotation. This visual cue is particularly helpful when you need to align elements or recreate specific designs that demand exactitude. Now that your ruler is in place, it's time to choose a pen tool. Head over to the toolbar again, select your desired pen style, and pick a color that suits your task. Once you've made your selections, you're ready to draw. To create straight lines, hold your pen or mouse pointer against the edge of the ruler. Even if your cursor moves slightly off, the ruler feature automatically corrects it, ensuring a perfectly straight line along its edge. And there you have it. Using the ruler tool in Microsoft Whiteboard is an effective way to enhance your digital drawings with precision. Whether you're working on a professional project or simply brainstorming ideas, this tool adds a level of clarity and accuracy that can be incredibly useful. Happy creating, and don't forget to explore all the other features Whiteboard has to offer.